Alright, so we're going to do a top speed test, throttle only with the KBO Flip. Here we go. So the acceleration isn't anything to write home about. But again, we're only rocking a 500 watt motor on this thing, so it's not terrible. We're not expecting crazy power or crazy torque on this thing. Alright, so we just broke 20 miles per hour. 20.3, 20.4. Alright, so I say 20 miles per hour is a pretty accurate claim for the KBO Flip. We're going to do a top speed test here. This bike says it can do 20 miles per hour. We're topping out at 23. Yeah, we evened out about 19.9 miles per hour, so definitely say the 20 miles per hour top speed is right on par.